What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today, guys, I have a new SweatCoin tutorial for you guys. So this one's going to be a little bit different and probably really fast just to show it off, guys. But before we get started, make sure you guys slap that like button, hit the subscribe button, guys. I made a tutorial on how to gain steps without even moving, guys. So if you guys will go check that out, on my channel, guys. It was very recent. But anyway, guys, so without further ado, I'm going to show you guys how to get one SweatCoin per day just for free. Now, some of you guys may not know about this, but most of you guys probably will. So, if you already know about this, click off. But, for the people that don't know about this, I'm going to show you right now. So, what you need to do is go over to the rewards tab, right? The offers tab. And what you want to do is scroll all the way down, not all the way down, but right here where it says daily reward. And you can earn one SweatCoin per day using this daily reward. What you need to do is click on claim it now, and it will load up an ad or something will pop up, and if something pops up you can just exit out of it and you'll earn one SweatCoin. But if it's an ad, it'll play the ad and then you can exit out and then you've earned one SweatCoin. So it's that simple, guys. You get one per day from the daily rewards. It's actually pretty cool, guys. So yeah, let's just wait till this reward ends, and then I will show you that you have actually received one SweatCoin. It's actually really cool, guys. Boom. Toon Blast. Okay. But there we go. Then it'll bring up the last screen right here, and then an X should be able to pop up somewhere right here, and you can just exit out. And now you can't use your daily reward for today until tomorrow. But now, as you can see, I have earned a daily reward bonus right here at the top. As you can see, it says July 5th. This is the day I'm recording this right there. And my conversion history at the very top says July 5th is when I got this daily bonus. Which is right, I got it today on July 5th right there. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want more SweatCoin tutorials or any other app tutorials, please comment it down below. Tell me if this worked, guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace